1, 2, 3, cocaine. Plug. Look back at it. Please take me home.
Kiki, do you love me?
Yo.
Hi guys, this is so weird. This is the first time I'm starting the vlog in the new house. I don't know where any of the light switches are. So today is July the 27th. We are going to Florida today. It is, I think it's like 4:30 right now. We're just finishing packing up here. We got here pretty early this morning and we've just been working on setting everything up. Might do a room tour maybe. That might be really cliche and cringy.
Hey, you're all over Caroline's stuff, silly goose.
Say hi, Dad.
Hey, girl.
So it's 5:43 right now, and I got a little bit of sun today when we were in the pool. I'm already burnt. We're not even at the beach yet. Dad, he wants up there with you. Today we're driving 4 hours to get to the beach. No, to get to 4 out of the 8 hours today. And we're gonna stay in a hotel tonight, and then we're gonna drive the rest of the way tomorrow. So that's gonna be fun. Golden hour. Get in the sun. Weakness. Hi. Oh.
Here he goes.
Booty. Look back at it.
How do you learn how to do this? Do you just watch it and learn?
Yes, Mom.
Kiki, do you love me? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? I thought he was gonna say my pony. Well, riding, but I think it's riding.
No.
Not writing. Is he writing Kiki a note?
From beside you. Let's do it, Daddy. From beside you.
Baxter.
Baxter. Oh.
Me from beside me. I don't
Want ya? And I'm down for you always.
What's wrong with me?
What is this? Oh, here we go. We're back. We're back.
Oh, Daddy, you the
Aww.
Scoop Diddy Whoop song.
Oh.
Scoop Diddy Whoop. You could not put this on your vlog.
Watch me, Mom.
Liz Aaron, never fly solo.
Black Friday prices in July. Plus tickets.
Baxter.
SmileDirectClub.com.
Like Pete, this turkey.
Don't miss the end of the show now.
Look at this. Here we go, guys.
I gotta get my word.
I have my word.
I got it.
1, 2, 3. Butthole. What did you say? I said butthole.
Caitlin.
I said snort.
Police and pickle.
Dude, I got this. 1, 2, 3. Cocaine.
Butt plug.
What did you say, Caroline?
Yeah.
Butt plug.
Butt plug.
We got butt plug. We got cocaine. And we've got salty. And we got juice.
I got it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The club.
Edibles.
What?
Did she just say tummy ache? Of
Well,
course
yeah,
she
if you
said
got a butt plug and you're drinking juice and it's salty and whatever else it was, you're gonna have a tummy ache.
Tummy ache, sweet, edibles, and
The club.
I got it.
1, 2, 3. Alcoholic beverages. Sorry. This is what this game has come
Oh,
to.
I know.
Baxter.
Like some fresh air, Baxter?
Hi, baby.
I feel good.
Hi guys, so we're here and it's 2:14 and I am so exhausted. I do not know why I am so freaking tired, but I am so tired. I just want to go to sleep and I think we got to go to the grocery store. I really have no idea what we're going to be doing for the rest of the day, so it's going to come as much of a surprise to you as it is to me. Hi guys, so it's currently 6:55 and I just woke up from the last time I vlogged. So yeah, my family went to the grocery store and to get dinner. And I have been asleep, so that is fun. I'm going to go eat my dinner. They got me a Caesar salad, and Caroline is here, and Baxter is here. I think that's on Baxter. I don't really know if the camera was on Baxter. That is what's happening. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get some dinner and drink some raspberry tea. Well, hey!
Hey!
Where's Caleb?
She's awake. Here comes Caleb. You're awake.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Uh-huh.
Stay. 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 Go.
Close enough. Get him, Baxter! He spilt red wine on the dog.
Well, the leash. We got hung up in the leash and I bent over to
Hi guys, it's Caleb. You made me and see me on Beyblade videos. I love yogurt. See ya.
Please take me home. Okay.
Oh.
You got it, Mom.
I can't go faster though.
Then, yeah. That's it. I got my Caesar salad going on, and I'm just trying to eat my food. And my family came in and decided to distract me. Those are new.
Hot mess.
See ya at the marina. Oh, and that last little clip where I was singing, as I was singing that song, I made dead eye contact with a person in the middle of it. So I really hope that you guys think about that and then process that and enjoy that and love that for me. So, Dad's talking to the booty man. See, he's over there. There's the booty man right there. So. Hi guys, this is so weird. This is the first time I'm showing my mom. Today is.
She's gonna say my pony. Plus riding. Digest.
She's like silently laughing over here.
Oh yeah. Never fly solo.
Oh man, I was really tired last night. I'm still really tired.
Kind of like tonight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I'm editing right now and got some new headphones, you know. My headphones are upstairs and I really don't want to go get them. So I decided that I'm going to wear Caleb's headphones. The audio is really bad, but that's okay. They're all watching the last song back there. Because I've already seen it, I'm going to finish this, but it shouldn't take me that much longer, and then I'm going to watch a movie with my family, and yeah.
You married her first. But I don't know. This
I'm gonna
is not
pee.
my fault.
I'm peeing.
Are you?
No, I'm just kidding. Hi. Oh, okay. I'll take a slap for that.
Baxter, that's so bad.
Don't touch where he.
That's not his butthole. That is his butthole. No, that's his
That's
butthole.
his butthole.
So that was the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. This is about the shortest vlog that I've made, and I don't even know how long. But tomorrow will be more entertaining because we're going to the beach and everything. So yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. My new house vlog will be out very soon. Say bye. Peace out.
Yo.